Okay, hello everyone. Let us now answer the first example for the ellipse. Okay, so we are asked to find the equation of the ellipse with center at the origin. Okay, so that's one given right there. We need to take note of that. And one focus at 3, 0. So it's mentioning one focus because there are actually two foci, right? And then a vertex again because there are two vertices at negative 4, 0. So the first thing we need to do is we need to plot our given here. So just like what we always do in solving problems for these conic sections. So try my best to make it as straight as possible. Okay, so there you have it. So the first, let's plot our center, which is at the origin. So it's very convenient. And then the other focus is at 3, 0. So 1, 2, and 3. So our one focus is right here. So it is 3, 0. Now, where is one of the vertices? So 1, 2, 3, and 4. We have here our negative 4, 0. Okay. So we now have here this distance right here. So from the center to the vertex, so one vertex is actually our A. That is our what do you call this? That is our major axis, right? Okay. And the distance here from the center to the focus is actually C. Okay. So we now have our A and C. Now, we arrived at the Pythagorean relationship between A, B, and C. So, in order to find the equation, C is what we need, right? We already have A. So, we need B. B is what we need, okay? So, the relationship, as mentioned in the previous video, is A squared. A squared is equal to B squared plus C squared, right? So, if we want to find B squared is equal to A squared minus C squared. And then, if we substitute it, so there, so this will be a negative, so this is a magnitude. The magnitude, this is a distance, A, so we use the positive, minus C, which is 3, and then squared. So B squared is equal to 16 minus 9. So that will be B squared is equal to 7. So B will be equal to positive negative square root of 7. Okay, so that will be approximately, so I calculated it beforehand. So that is actually 2.646. So let's graph that out. 1, 2, 3, 2.6 will be right here. And then another one right here. 1, 2, 3, let's say it's about right here. So our B is right there, and we have another point here. Let's complete this other vertex at 4, 0. Then we can then approximate our ellipse right here. Let's say our ellipse kind of looks like that. Okay. So if we take a look at the accurate generated ellipse. Let's write out our equation first. Okay, so our equation is actually, so since our major axis is on the x-axis, right? So you will have x squared all over a squared plus y squared all over b squared is equal to 1. So x squared, what is our a? So we have 4, right? So 16 plus y squared all over b. So which is actually, if we square a square root of 7, we get 7 is equal to 1. So there is our equation. Okay, very cool, right? So let's take a look at the actual graph of this. Okay, so there you have it. So 2.646 and negative 2.646 for the B. Okay, so that's it for this example. I will see you in the next video for the second one.